With so many personal finance books out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But did you know that the book you should be reading depends on your financial situation and your mindset? Whether you're just starting out, working to get out of debt, or already investing, there's a perfect book for you. Today, we're going to dive into 3 categories of personal finance books, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one will help you the most. Oh, and stick around, because there's one book that could transform your entire view on wealth. I'll reveal it later. So, I've grouped the best personal finance books into 3 categories: all-rounders, financial radicals, and typical wisdom. These categories are based on the values they preach and how they resonate with different money mindsets. But more importantly, we'll also talk about who these books are best suited for, whether you're a beginner, a seasoned investor, or somewhere in between. Let's start with the all-rounders. These books are perfect if you're looking for a balanced approach to personal finance, something that gives you both practical tips and the right mindset for building wealth. Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. This book covers everything from wealth building to taking action. It's great for seasoned investors and those who want a step-by-step guide. Robbins also interviews top financial experts, so you're getting a mix of advice from the best minds in the industry. Best for regular salaryman, seasoned investors, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This one is all about simplicity and long-term growth. Collins pushes for low-cost index funds, which makes it perfect for beginners or people who don't want to spend too much time worrying about their portfolios. Best for beginner investors, regular salarymen, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book dives into how your emotions and mindset impact your financial decisions. It's great for anyone, but especially those trying to understand why they make certain money choices. Best for everyone, especially irregular freelancers or those who want to understand their relationship with money. These books are powerful because they don't just tell you what to do, they also help you build the right mindset for long-term financial success. Next up, the financial radicals. These books might challenge what you think you know about money. They're great if you're ready for a more unconventional approach. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is the go-to for people looking to break free from the 9-to-5 grind. Kiyosaki's lessons on assets, liabilities, and entrepreneurship have inspired millions to look beyond a paycheck. Best for irregular freelancers, people looking for a change in mindset, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. If you're interested in value investing, this book is a classic. Graham's philosophy isn't for the faint of heart though. It requires deep research and a patient approach to building wealth. Best for seasoned investors who want to dive deeper into stock picking, Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Ramsey is all about eliminating debt as fast as possible and living within your means. It's radical in the sense that he wants you to get aggressive about paying off debt without any excuses. Best for people getting out of debt beginners. If you're looking for a mindset shift, these books will push you out of your comfort zone. But remember, sometimes that's exactly what you need to grow. Now, for those who prefer a more traditional approach to personal finance, the typical wisdom books are what you need. These are all about proven, conservative strategies. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Bogle advocates for low-cost index funds and long-term investing. His message is simple: minimize fees, stay the course, and you'll be rewarded. Best for beginner investors, regular salaryman. The Boglehead's Guide to Retirement Planning. This book focuses on planning for retirement with a low-cost, diversified strategy. It's great for those in their 40s and 50s looking to build their retirement nest egg. Best for regular salaryman, seasoned investors. These books are rooted in sound principles that have stood the test of time. If you want to play it safe and still build wealth, these are for you. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. What if you're already past the beginner stage or further along in your career? You might ask, is it too late to learn these lessons now? Or maybe you're wondering if you should read just one of these books. Here's the truth, it's never too late to start, and it's never about reading just one book. But if I had to recommend a starting point, I'd say Money Master the Game is the one that combines actionable steps with practical wisdom, no matter your stage in life. It's an all-rounder that can guide you, whether you're just starting or fine-tuning your approach to wealth. So, what's the next step for you? Start by picking one book from the category that resonates with where you are right now. And remember, this is a journey. The more you learn, the better your financial decisions will become. If you enjoyed this breakdown, leave a comment below sharing which book you're going to start with. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. In description, I've also included a Google Sheet for your easy reference to help you choose. Grab the sheet for free and share the video to those who might benefit as well. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's the key to freedom. Also, remember to check out my other videos that dive in each of the individual book. I'll put the link down below. Until then, stay financially awesome.